Teeth whitening is a simple way to get rid of your teeth stains from smoking, coffee, wine, soda, and food to brighten your smile. You don't need to go to a dentist and spend a ton of money to do it either.
You can simply whiten your teeth up to 12 shades at home with MySmile.
The trusted MySmile Teeth Whitening Kit requires only 10 minutes per day and a few easy treatments to bring your smile back.
The kit uses light-activated technology coupled with a carbamide peroxide formula to remove stains on the surface of your teeth. You only need 10 minutes per day.
It's gentle on your enamel, unlike some other abrasive whitening solutions on the market.
It's these other brands that have turned people off from at-home applications.
They use harmful abrasives such as silica, which erode tooth enamel and trigger sensitivities.
With MySmile, you can enjoy zero sensitivity while whitening your teeth.
This special non-sensitive formula and soft food-grade mouth tray ensures you won't experience any discomfort during application.
The LED accelerator light speeds up the whitening process to 10 minutes for quick whitening results, and the whole kit is reusable with MySmile gel refills.
Your teeth will return to their pearly whites faster than you can say smile. You can purchase your MySmile Whitening Kit by going to mysmileteeth.com today or simply search MySmile on Amazon.